All right, friends, so the work is fast and furious. One of the things we do in middle school is we learn about physics, and we learn about how gravity will continue to push something down a hill unless another force acts upon it. So my students are working in there on their rolling contraptions, and we are going to test them in about 3 to 4 minutes. So we will see who has the best grasp on gravity. You have a name for this?
The Brett Michaels.
The Brett Michaels. The heartbreaker, huh?
Uh-huh. It's gonna lose, but that's fine.
All right, let's see it. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, my.
Shit! We're going second.
Looks like we got about 3 foot from the ramp.
Paul.
The name of this is
Paul.
Paul. All right, let's see it. All right. All right, what's the name of this contraption?
BYC.
BYC.
Yeah, big white car.
Ready, go. All right. Stay right here, Gabe. And pick up your contraption. All right, what's the name of this one?
Tonga pacifiers.
Okay. Well, how do you spell that?
I don't know.
Tonga pacifiers?
Tonga pacifiers.
Tonga pacifiers, okay. Ooh. Beat one team. Oh, no.
That's surprising.
All right, Tonga pacifiers.
Shay, I can stand here.
Stand right there. All right, what do we have for this name?
Sarah.
His name is Sarah. Okay. Let's see Sarah go.
Told you. Just give it a little bit of roll. Can you at least go off the rails? Don't worry.
Okay. What's the name of this?
Jeffrey.
Jeffrey. Its name is Jeffrey. All right, let's see it. Uh-oh. Jeffrey's got the motion.
Wait, why should we go the road?
That's the farthest. That's the farthest. Ready, go. Little push there, huh, bud? Little push there.
I didn't push it.
Uh-huh.
Oh, it did the same.
He pushed no.
Yeah, he pushed a little bit. Go ahead, go. Ooh, it's got some motion. All right, let's see it. Oh, it's gonna be close, not quite. Ready, go. Little pushy push.
Yeah, I needed all I could get without the wheels working.
Ready, go. Oh, you're in second place now.
Graham, he's so mad.
That's okay.
I think I got it to work.
There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Went from last.
Abby cheated. How did I cheat? You pushed it.
It's in first. She didn't push it. She just let it go.
I just took one thing off of me.
Actually, how?
Literally. I took one